Welcome to the channel. This is the unboxing of the HK Gaming GK61 mechanical keyboard. Bought this on Amazon. Came pretty quickly, I think overnight or 1 to 2 days. It is hot swappable with optical switches or 3 or 5 pin switches if you get a different option. This one is the optical version. Box is pretty sturdy. This is a 60% keyboard, so there is no F row or no function row. So, no like F5 for refresh or anything like that. Comes wrapped up pretty nice. There's some foam on the sides. Comes with a keycap puller, a USB-C cord, and a couple extra switches. These switches are the Gateron Blue Opticals. Trying to show you here what the optical switch looks like. There's like no pins on the bottom. Comes with a very small instruction guide. Super small. If you want a small footprint on your desk, these 60% keyboards are the way to go. If you're in an office, you probably have like a very large keyboard, maybe 100% with like 108 keys, something like that. It has everything. This is very minimalistic. You have to use certain keys to access like the function keys. So you have to hit like function and then the number 1 or something like that. You have to do a combination of keys to get to the ones that you need to get to. Linked at the end of this video is a sound test. And this is what it looks like with plugged in with the RGB. It is a wired keyboard.